So what we're doing is we are putting in physical distancing signs in all of our buildings in preparation of campus reopening. That really comes down to we need to wear a mask when we enter our buildings. You'll see that at each of our entry points. As you come into lobbies and common areas, you will see signs stating, together as Buckeyes, we want to stay physically distanced, and we encourage people to stay 6 feet apart. Each of our restrooms will receive signs encouraging people to wash their hands for 20 seconds to prevent the spread of disease. We will also be placing those in any common break areas within the buildings to remind people to wash their hands before they leave the area. The last piece that you will see within our buildings is elevator signage. And the signs on the doors basically are asking people, if you do not need to take the elevators, please take the stairs.
The goal was that you didn't have everybody going out to wherever across the internet buying individual, stand 6 feet apart, different look and feel. It's now everything on campus looks the same and has the continuity and brand of OSU.
I believe it's between 400 and 450. Some of the buildings, even though they're managed by the university, we're not placing signs because there's not a lot of occupants in the buildings. But primarily that would be the Columbus campus, anything on West Campus, and anything on Kinnear Road and over at Waterman Farm in the service annex. And then we've also included a sign package for each of our regional campuses, and those were sent out last week for them to install at each of the regionals. And we want to make sure that as we come back to campus, we're as safe as we can be. And we want to make sure that message is as clear as it can be to people coming into our buildings. We anticipate that as people come back and we have more occupants in buildings, that we are going to have to add additional signs in some of our areas to make sure that those areas are safe.
Take the messaging to heart, read the signs, do what the signs are asking. It is about me protecting you and you protecting me. So we as a community, if we all do this together, we'll get through it together quicker